Hello friends, in the today's video we can discuss about how to print the addition of two decimal numbers in Java. We can start the video. So firstly I can um, type the comment in the um, um, upper side of the window, and I can type here program to add decimal 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 numbers in Java. So we can start the project. In that project we can add two decimal numbers. So first of all, we can create the package. Create for the grouping the classes. Package Google and semicolon, and after that we can import the scanner function. So for the importing of scanner function, we can type here import java.util.scanner. So with the help of that import java.util.scanner function, we can able to import the scanner function. Scanner function is important for the for user input. When you can accept the user input, then scanner function is plays a vital role in that. So then I can next step is we can put the class, we can declare the class name. So is so in that case we can type here public class and the class name is whatever you want. So I can type here my name is Nilesh, and I press the enter button, and then you can create the class. Your class name should be your file name. So yeah, after that you can use the curly brackets and enter, and then um, you can describe the main method of the Java program. The method is public static void main, and inner the bracket string args is typed string args. So this line can be typed here. So firstly I can explain the meaning of that line. In that line, the public keyword is used for the access specifier. The public keyword is access the your program to execute anywhere. And then the static keyword is used for the objects. In the Java program, you don't create the don't need to create the objects. For that, static keyword is used. And next is void is used for no return value is provided by Java. In the you can observe that the you can observe or learn the C++, then you will observe that the in the C and C++, the return zero value can be typed below the program. But in the Java program, you don't need to such type where such type of values. For this, void is used, and main is the your main keyword is used for your execution of your program, and string is a syntax of your program. After that, you can you can enter the two curly braces and then enter. In that program, we can we, uh, uh, describe the this scanner function. For this scanner function, we can type here scanner and scanner function is created and then we can declare the object name. Object name is anyone, anywhere, mm, anyone name, such like may I am getting the input new, and I can type here new scanner scanner in the bracket, and then in the bracket I can type the system system.in. With this statement helps to read the user input, user input, and then I can I can deliver the I can I can declare the variable names. For the declaring variable names, I can use the float data type. For float data type, we can type here float data type, and then I can um, type the variable names such as num1 is your first variable name, and then second variable name is your num2, and num2 is your second variable name. After that, for the sum of these two variable names, the sum function, sum keyword is used. In that case, sum keyword is used, then we can type here sum. After that, we can initialize the variable names. So first of all, we can type here num1. For the num1, we can accept the user input. For that, we can type here object name of scanner function input dot input dot next. We can use the here the float data type. Then we can type here float, f is capital float, and then brackets, and then semicolon, and after that the second variable name is I can declare. After that, the second variable name is num2. We can you enter the object name input dot next, and then float. We can declare the float name, and after that we can summation of two numbers num1 and num2 is done by the sum function. We can type here the sum function. After the sum function, num1 plus num2, and then semicolon we can type here. After that we can the output is generated inside the computer, but when but I want to declare the output on the screen. For that, we can use the printing function. In the Java, we can use the system.out.println has a printing function. And then we can type here system.out.println, and inside the bracket we can type the your sum of two numbers is, and the plus sign is I can add it for the concatenation of two strings, and then sum function is declare. Variable name sum is declare. After that, your program is ready for execution. After we can execute it. One error can be occurred. We cannot put the semicolon end of the scanner function. So after that, we can execute it, and we can put it 54, then 55, 65, and enter. Yeah, in that case, your output is your sum of two numbers is 199. 199. It's correct. After that, we can put the decimal numbers, 34.56, 34.56 and 20.456, and we can put here enter. Your sum of two numbers is 58.016. And I will stop the video at you can hit the like button and subscribe the channel for such a type of such amazing projects in Java language. For bye bye.